Let's talk about the transformation of the Harmony Bay Wellness website. Harmony Bay Wellness is a renowned outpatient behavioral health service that provides primary mental health treatment programs for psychiatric conditions. As their reputation began to grow and they expanded into new locations, they needed a website that could keep up with their never-ending progress and the demands that it put on their platform. It was essential that their redesign created a website that's easy to update, more focused on booking appointments, and with an aesthetic that reflected the sophistication of their company. So how did we do all this? First, we came up with a design system that allowed us to mix custom illustrations and iconography with a minimal amount of stock photos. We also utilized a more calming color palette of blues and earth tones to create an elevated feel. Because both patients and family members are typically overwhelmed when searching for a behavioral health service provider, it was imperative that the navigation was simplified too. Booking an appointment, finding out what insurance they take, and what type of therapies they offer needed to be extremely easy to find to make the process for potential patients less stressful. But we didn't stop there. About 68% of Harmony Bay Wellness's traffic was from mobile users, so the mobile experience was updated with sliders, accordions, and repositioned graphics to guarantee that the website would be effective from any device. Other highlights of the redesign that made a huge difference in their goals included the provider directory, optimized therapy pages, and the Becoming a Provider page. The upgrade to the provider directory made hundreds of providers accessible with detailed profiles and instant booking options, leading to a surge in appointments. The newly optimized therapy pages not only attracted more clients, but also boosted Harmony Bay Wellness's search engine visibility. And Becoming a Provider became simpler than ever with an intuitive multi-step application process, fueling Harmony Bay Wellness's expansion. If we're talking numbers, the redesign increased patient applications by 175%, decreased the website's bounce rate by 16%, and increased organic search traffic by 40%.
My name is Colin Studwell, and I'm the CEO of Advantage Behavioral Health. We're an outpatient behavioral healthcare network providing therapy and psychiatry services to about 20,000 active patients across the United States. The challenge for us in creating a new website was creating a platform that could support very high volume of potential new patients while providing an efficient, kind of straightforward user experience and also maintaining the brand that we've carefully cultivated over the course of the last few years. Working with Humor was an unbelievably straightforward experience. Their team are true subject matter experts, for lack of a better term. So at every stage of the process, from kind of creating the mood board to determine what type of vibe we were going for on the website, to the actual layout, content creation, I knew that we would be able to get expert guidance regarding what best practice was, what their kind of vision for the best possible outcome was. They were responsive and always completely on point with the recommendations. I can say honestly that they knew what I wanted better than I knew what I wanted about half the time, which is, to me, extremely impressive. To the entire Humor team, working with you was truly a pleasure, which I know has the tendency to be rare with third parties. We are extremely satisfied with the outcome. So satisfied, in fact, that we ended up going back and using them for 2 additional websites that we needed completely reconstructed and kind of refurbished. I can't say enough about the Humor team, and guys, once again, thank you so much for the work we did together.
With the help of our team, you're one awesome redesign away from results like this too. Are you ready to take your website to the next level?